how to order Shein cash on delivery. So here's what you want to do. Open up the Shein app and then just go for an item which you want to purchase. Let's say that we want to get this one, choose the size and add to cart. Now, once you have added this item to your cart, we will proceed to our cart here. And once we click on our cart, you will go and continue to checkout. Now, if you see the option for, so let me just put my address here. Now, once you have signed in, you will see the payment methods, and here if you see cash on delivery, then it means that it is available in your region. If you don't see cash on delivery, like I don't, for example, it means that it is not an option in my region, but it will be available for some people, and you will be able to find it here under the payment method section. You will see C.O.D or cash on delivery, and you will just choose it, and that's how you can use it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.